Okay, I am not having good luck here. I recorded this using using my screenshot recorder, my screen recorder program, but I don't have a microphone, and the one in the laptop sounds like it sounds actually worse than a $2 Japanese pocket transistor radio that your daddy got for free for opening a checking account at Citizens Bank. So I got the wire laid on the deck and tuned, and I came inside and I took a couple RBN screenshots, and I was shocked at what I saw. I hope that wire pattern isn't back. Anyway, I sent test 5 times in a row. I repeated the sequence 3 times. And then I checked the RBN server. And I was detected by K9 and then VE6. I couldn't believe it. So I went to look at the signal levels, and I was really shocked. These are the only two right here that detected me. This is using 5 watts and my SAD-40. My sucky antenna design 40 laying on the deck. Shocking. Even the K9 at 18 dB shocking, but the VE6 at 17 dB, oh my God, I could not believe it. So I sent the test sequence several more times, but I moved up to 70-14, which you'll see here. And I was detected by all these, and none very good, and in fact almost all miserably. 3-4 dB, yeah, you're not gonna have a rag chew at that kind of signal level, but 11 dB, 18, 17, that's nuts, man. That's just crazy. That's at 5 watts, right? So I cranked it up to 100 watts. Not everybody's a QRPer, unfortunately. Oh, before I go to the 100 watt map, these are the stations that detected me at the 5 watt level after having called that test sequence several more times. Okay, so excuse me, God. So now I twisted the knob and used 100 watts, and still a lot of miserable signal reports, which you'd expect from a piece of speaker wire laying on your deck. But we did get a 13 dB and another 18 and a 12 and a 20 and a 12 and 17 and 21. And you can talk. You could talk to people. You could talk to people on this antenna, man, using 100 watts. And these are the reporting stations at the 100 watt level. Man, that's shocking. A 50, I think it's about 53 feet longish, doesn't even matter, piece of wire laying on your deck, and you can do that with 100 watts. You can talk to people all over the place using 100 watts, but what I'm saying is I can talk to people all over the place using 50 watts, and I'm gonna 5 watts, and I'm gonna work DX on my SAD-40 using QRP. Either that or I'll look stupid. Oh, I'm going to look stupid either way, but I'm sure going to try to make a QSO 73.